Hello everyone, welcome to Travel with Coconut Joe. Our stay in Ninh Binh was a wonderful experience, and today we'll share the homestays we stayed in and briefly what we saw in each area. Homestays are different than hotels. The family lives on the property. It was our first experience with homestays and we really enjoyed them. They're very popular in Ninh Binh. So let's get started. Our first homestay was Tam Coc Friends Bungalow, costing approximately $33 US per night. The grounds had a nice mountain view out front. Our room was located in front of the pool. There was also an upper level with seating, a view, and a pool table. Close by, there were some restaurants where we would ride our bikes to and enjoy spring rolls and other food, of course. During our stay, we visited the Buffalo Cave, which was a nice adventure. Also, the Beach Dong Pagoda was close by, so we were able to arrive very early before anyone else was there. We used their free bicycles to explore the surroundings. A quick note about free bicycles: don't expect too much. Most had some kind of issue like a wobbly seat, minimal brakes, or a faulty kickstand. This wasn't specific to any one place, but was a common theme throughout our stay. Also, all the homestays we stayed at included breakfast. Next, we arrived at Tam Coc Minh Hung, our most budget-friendly homestay in Ninh Binh. We had a cozy room on the upper level for just $18 US per night. The property is nestled against expansive rice field in a quaint, quiet area. They provided free bicycles, which were essential for getting into town because it would have been quite a walk. Alternatively, you could rent a motorbike from them, which we did to explore the area for a day and visit Moa Caves.
Okay. Need to know that. And the petrol, the salt, how much is in there?
The Moa Caves are a must-see, not for the caves themselves, but for the breathtaking panoramic views from the mountaintop. This homestay was charming, peaceful, and a bit off the beaten path. We also enjoyed walks through the surrounding paddy fields. Big horns. Our next stay in the Tam Coc area was at Amazing View Homestay. True to its name, the property offered a beautiful view of a rice field and mountains right in front of the homestay. Despite the higher price of around $40 US per night, the experience was well worth it. We were fortunate enough to get an extra large room on the main level. Coconut Joe was very happy, stating that the chairs at Amazing View to be the most comfortable chairs in Vietnam. The room itself was very spacious, like a double room really, and comfortable. We particularly enjoyed a delicious and filling breakfast next to the mountain paddy field view. The location was perfect, close to town but remarkably quiet. While the bicycles were for rent, they looked well maintained. We opted to explore the area on foot as there was so much to see nearby. We walked to town daily, watched the boats paddle down the river from different locations. Found a hidden pagoda. Visited Thai V Temple, and watched the locals planting rice. There was no pool, but we didn't use any during our time in Ninh Binh. It was an enjoyable stay with comfort, convenience, and a touch of local charm. We returned to Ninh Binh, this time staying in the Trang area at the Trang Legend Homestay. Initially, we booked newer modern rooms in the main building, but due to a mechanical issue upon arrival, we were offered a bungalow instead. The owner was very accommodating, and the friendly dog added a charming touch to our stay. Coconut Joe and I were pleased with our end unit bungalow, with a cost of $33 US per night per room. Once the issue was resolved, my daughter chose to move to the updated room, which featured a new modern design and a beautiful mountain view from both the room and the balcony. Although the area was remote, we made good use of the free bicycles to revisit the Moau Caves. The next day, we continued our adventure by cycling to the Trang boat tour, a choice we were very happy with over the Tam Coc boat tour. We also rode to Tam Coc town, though it might be a bit of a distance for some. This area is more countryside, with a few nearby restaurants. The property has quiet surroundings and lovely grounds. Although we had cool, rainy weather, it didn't interrupt our activities, and we thoroughly enjoyed our stay. In conclusion, we enjoyed each of these homestays, as they all offered a different area to explore. However, if we had to choose our favorite, it would be amazing view. Because of the view, the ideal location, delicious filling breakfast, and comfortable outdoor seating.